In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share Bitbucket repository link. Whether you're onboarding a teammate or moving a project to a new machine, knowing how to grab the correct repository link takes just a moment and saves a lot of back and forth. First, open your browser and go to bitbucket.org, then sign into your workspace. Once you're in, head to the repositories section. You'll see a list of projects you have access to. Take a second to confirm you're in the right workspace, especially if you belong to more than one organization, so you don't accidentally share the wrong codebase. Next, click the repository you want to share. This opens the repo overview page where you can see the main branch, recent commits, and files. If you manage multiple similar repos, check the name and description to be sure it's the exact one you intend to share. At the top right of the repository page, look for the clone button and click it. This opens a small panel with one or two options for the clone URL. Bitbucket usually offers HTTPS and SSH. HTTPS is the most universal and works well if the person cloning will sign in with their Bitbucket credentials or an app password. SSH is great for teammates who already have their SSH keys set up because it avoids repeated credential prompts. Now copy the repository link. There's a copy icon right next to the URL in the clone panel. Click it, and the link is placed on your clipboard instantly. The HTTPS link will look like a standard HTTPS address, while the SSH link starts with GIE@bitbucket.org. Either way, the content of the repo is the same. The only difference is how authentication happens. Finally, share that link with your teammate. You can paste it into chat, email, or documentation. If the repository is private, make sure the recipient has access in Bitbucket, otherwise the link will work, but they won't be able to clone. A quick tip: if you're unsure about permissions, double-check the repo's access settings or ask a workspace admin to invite the person before you send the link. And if the project contains sensitive material, avoid posting the link in public channels. That's it. You've gone to Bitbucket, opened the correct repository, clicked clone, copied the URL, and shared it with the right people. Thanks for watching and happy collaborating.